art, music, and all. Support it. Support local. What's up? Yeah, this is another episode of local unboxing. We got some stuff from Lazada. It's local bands, local brands. So yeah, let's check it out. So this one, I got it from Greyhoundz Gang Apparel. Here it is. They have a free stickers and free mask. Salamat kayo. So let's check out the Greyhoundz shirt. Greyhoundz. Wow! Wow! You can see there it's a Dragon Ball inspired font. This is designed by Mark Store. As you can see the tag there. I'm excited to wear this. Yeah. The print is quality and really good cotton shirt. I think this would be very comfortable to wear. Di siya po, di init. Yeah. And there's a Medisina clothing. Yeah. So this is a Greyhoundz and Medisina release. Check it out. So good, man. There, the freebies. So good to have this since pandemic. Yeah, that's really good mask right there. And also the free stickers. Yeah, stick them up. So yeah, there, Greyhoundz X Medisina. Be sure to check out those products in the Medisina sa Barangay Tibay. They have a store there in Cubao, and also you can check out their Facebook and their Lazada store. Let's go support local.